Looking to start a profitable AI-powered online business? I just found something that could be a total game changer, the AI Business Builder Challenge. It's a great deal right now, and in just 5 days, they teach you how to go from zero to launching your first AI-powered offer. Let's break it down. This isn't another generic AI tips video. This is a step-by-step, day-by-day challenge. Over 5 days, they walk you through how to choose a profitable niche for your AI-driven business, how to build an irresistible offer people actually want, how to launch lead-generating campaigns that work on autopilot, how to convert visitors into buyers without feeling pushy, and how to scale your results so you can grow faster. I've tried so many online business courses before, and most of them are either too overwhelming or way too expensive. What I like about this one is that it's laser focused. It's not about learning everything, it's about getting your first AI powered income stream up and running fast. This challenge is perfect if you want to start an AI powered business, but don't know where to start, have no prior experience, and need a clear, guided path, want to avoid wasting months on trial and error. And the best part, it costs less than what most people spend on lunch in a week. I looked into what other students were saying, and the feedback is impressive. People are finishing the challenge with actual landing pages live, offers ready, and even their first paying customers. One person said they made back their small investment on day 4, which is insane. Another student felt the information they learned was invaluable. When you sign up, you get 5 days of easy to follow video lessons, done for you templates and swipe files, daily action steps so you know exactly what to do next, and access to a private community where you can ask questions and get feedback. In each of the 5 easy to follow lessons, you'll learn the steps to starting your AI powered freelance digital marketing business. Episode 1: The number one secret to starting and scaling a high ticket business. Episode 1.5 is a secret bonus. Episode 2: Have AI set up your business for you. Episode 3: Create your winning business plan in under 5 minutes. Episode 4: How to have AI working for you 24/7. Episode 4.5 is another secret bonus. Episode 5: Launch time. Close your entrepreneurial success gap. I think the reason this challenge works is because it's action first. You're building your business as you go, no endless note taking, no someday I'll start. By the end of day 5, you actually have something live and running. Use AI as a shortcut to start making money online by selling valuable digital products that people already want to buy. Learn the number one secret to starting and scaling a high ticket business. You'll see exactly how to start using AI to get done days worth of hard work in just minutes, even if you've never used AI before. Create a business plan that is customized to your skills and knowledge without having to pester your friends and family. Get the confidence to overcome any obstacle and go after what you want, and never care about what other people think again. Learn how to overcome the number one thing that stops most new entrepreneurs from ever starting a successful business. Get ready to have your mind blown and your business started by the end of the day. If you're ready to finally start your AI powered business, use the link in the description and grab the challenge today. Seriously, skip one fancy coffee this week and invest in something that could pay you back over and over again. All right, that's my breakdown of the AI Business Builder Challenge. You can the link to this profitable AI-powered online business in the description below. If you decide to join, comment below so I can check in on your progress. Hit the like button if this was helpful. Subscribe for more AI business tips, and I'll see you in the next video.